Hi, my name is Julieta Alvarez. I live in West New York, and welcome to my apartment. I am from Argentina. I came here in 1999. I've been living in New York City until 3.5 years ago when I moved here to West New York, New Jersey, which is right across the river. What I love about West New York is that it's quiet. You have this beautiful waterfront that goes all the way to Jersey City. What really influenced my style was traveling. Traveling really opened my mind to many things, styles, colors. As an interior designer, keeping everything organized and clean and like nicely styled, like magazine ready, for me is very important. The one thing I still want to do is add window treatments in my bedroom. It's a little tricky with the rod not fitting because the wall and the ceiling doesn't have enough space for the rod. So that's something I still want to do because I think window treatments are very important. It adds layers and softness to a room. I completed 3 projects. They were DIY. It was my IKEA nightstand, the IKEA dresser in my bedroom, and then the IKEA dresser from Olivia's room. For that one I did leather pulls. I added leather pulls, which I made. I bought the leather, cut them, made holes and screw them in. And then I did the nightstand. I added hardware and then painted it. And then the dresser, I added a bone inlay hardware. The tip that I have for decorating a home, try to research on how much light you need and where the light is coming from, and try to find a good paint color for your room, because you can do a lot with paint color. Hi, my name is Julieta Alvarez, and thank you for visiting my home.